not a PhD, not a MBA. There is a third degree, and for senior professionals, it can be one of the most smartest career move they can make. It is called a DBA, Doctor of Business Administration. Very few people in India are talking about it, and some people even confuse it with a PhD. So stay tuned till the end because today I am going to cover everything about DBA. Also, if you are looking for some great career counseling, then please connect with us on WhatsApp. Link is in description. So let's be honest, you have already put in years of hard work. You already may have an MBA and you have already dealt with meetings, results, etc. But even after many years of hard work, the promotion becomes slow. And at that stage, the problem is no longer the skill, it is the position. That is where a DBA becomes relevant. DBA or Doctor of Business Administration is a doctorate level business program specially designed for working professionals and senior managers. The duration of a DBA is 3 years. Some people even confuse it with PhD, but there is a key difference. A PhD focuses on the theoretical value of business, whereas a DBA addresses real business challenges which an organization might be facing at a particular point of time. A MBA might teach you how a business works, but a DBA works on a much deeper level. It makes you eligible to solve complex business challenges which are otherwise very difficult to solve. So, what does a DBA teach us? 3 things. First, credibility. When you are someone who has done deep research about a business challenge, what you have to say is heard with great authority. Second is differentiation. Right now in the market, there are many MBA graduates, whereas a DBA graduate is still rare. So, very naturally, you are valued more. Third, and the most important, career leverage. Many surveys have shown that people who hold a doctorate degree or a DBA have faster career growths and even more faster salary hikes. And I'm going to give you 2 great options for your online DBA. The first is Rushford Business School located in Switzerland. It is EduQA accredited and offers very affordable online DBA option. It costs you around 4 lakh rupees. And the second option is again a very popular one, Golden Gate Business School located in San Francisco, America. It is a very well-renowned business school offering online DBA. It was established in 1901. It also has a regional accreditation, but again, the right choice depends on your career background, your goals, and affordability. The best part is that today, many programs are designed specially for working professionals, which they can do from their own flexibility and from their own country or city where they belong to, which also means that you do not have to leave your job or relocate anywhere. Our expert professional counselors will guide you at each and every step, from the application to the fee payment. They will be studying your background, your goals, everything, and then they will be suggesting you a university which will be the best option for you. So, for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to EduVerticals.